What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Traction RC. Today, we're going to be talking about this TRX4M IR40 bedless chassis. So, for this chassis, I found it on Maker Lab, like I find every other chassis I print on. It came with the mount, battery mount. It's either for the ESC or the battery. I think it's a battery. And, the hinge. What I did for mounting, so I got some Velcro, glued onto there because it wasn't sticking anymore. But this part stuck, so I stuck some Velcro onto the battery, glued a piece of Velcro onto the mount. Now it stays. And what I did for the ESC, I glued it on top of the transmission. You can see that. Right there. There's also an IR60 version of this chassis. I'll put it up right here. I do not have an IR60 body. I only have an IR40. So I printed the IR40 version. Here's the front shock mounting. That's how I mounted the shocks. And this is where you mount the rear shocks. There's a hole. You can see. There's a hole for the mount or the shock. Right there. See where I screwed that in? That's where I mounted the rear shocks. I have front flex blades on this. I took off the front ones because it was too stiff on the front suspension, the front shocks. But on the back, for whatever reason, it's not even that stiff. Or not stiff at all, actually. They work perfect. Oh, it's straight. Whatever. This also might annoy you guys, but I wanted to keep the headlights in, but I also couldn't do anything with the taillights. I couldn't take them off or anything, and I didn't really know where to put them, so I just stuffed them in the cab. You can see that in the window right there. I'm gonna go test this chassis on the rocks outside the backyard, and this is a great chassis. Looks great. Flex, got a lot of flex. Got a lot of flex. Looks like you get a lot of clearance too. Yeah, I should bend these links. I don't know. Looks like you get more clearance. And yeah, I'm gonna go test this out on the rocks. I haven't tested it yet, but hope it does well. And I'll see ya. So cool. Saved it. Alright guys, so this is a great chassis. It looks awesome when it crawls. Gives you all that flex. Looks awesome. The shocks though, they could, at some points when you're on the rocks, they could become, I don't know why, they stiff up for some reason. It's like, they don't go down all the way. Yeah, whatever. I think I'm gonna adjust the front shocks, mount them differently. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this chassis in this video. Yeah, it's a great chassis. I love the look without the bed. When it's with the bed, it looks awesome, but I think I like it better without the bed. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.